Hello, welcome to 2025 with the family and Cookie. And the crazy little dog. So, first vlog of the year, and we are out walking around cold Virginia water. It's nice, isn't it, little one?
It's nice.
It's lovely, isn't it, up here? So, we thought we'd come up here before I have to go back to work next week. Rachel's already been back, but you know, she only does half days anyway, so. But
I work till 3.
Yeah, that's what she says. So yeah, come for a walk with us. We'll talk about what's going ahead this year, what we've purchased that you don't know about, and what we're going to be doing. So let's go for a little walk.
But
go on, what do
also,
you want to say?
We can say about the last time that we were here, can't we?
Yeah, we'll tell you about that in a bit. But let's go for a walk. So I've taken a little Eskimo for a walk. So where do we start? So, first things first, I brought a Porsche. It's not a new one, it's an old one. And it's older than both of us, not combined. But I'm going to put a picture in now. So that is my new 924 Porsche, and I'm going to be doing bits and bobs on her. So you'll see her get better and better, and I can't wait to use her. And you can't wait to go in her, can you?
I can't wait.
But she's from 1982, so no seat belts in the back, just little bucket seats for these little ones. But yeah, so first bit is we've got a Porsche. So, last time we were here, this little one was in Rachel's belly, and I thought I'd climb a tree. I don't know why, but anyway, it was a nice day. I thought I'd climb a tree, like one of these around here. So I was climbing a tree really well. Rachel was so impressed. She knew she had picked the right person as a husband when I was climbing that tree, until what happened? What happened when I climbed the tree?
You fell out with the tree.
How badly did I fall out of the tree?
Well, you weren't hurt, so.
How high was I?
So much.
Maybe 10 foot.
Yeah, I was quite a way up a tree. I fell out of the tree, literally upside down, back, hit the ground, bosh, winded like you could not believe it. Not as badly winded as this one though, who was in hysterics. Thought it was absolutely funny. So yeah, welcome back Virginia water. But yeah, so there you go.
Darren,
There's a little, yes?
I couldn't help because I was pregnant, so I stayed at the side.
Yeah. And?
If you really needed help,
Yeah.
I would have been able to call you help after like half an hour.
Exactly, so there you go.
See, that's cool, going up the tree.
I was there being supportive as a husband with a pregnant wife, and that's the love I get. But yeah, so we carry on our walk through Virginia waters. I think next thing, a couple of things coming up this year. We have been married 10 years this year, and my beautiful wife is arranging a party. I don't know what's happening, but I'll get an invite, no doubt. She's also turning 40, so I've got to plan something good for that. So we'll see what I've got planned for that. Oh, and then there's me going to the gym. So I'm going to the gym a lot, mainly because I'm going to be racing my track bike on the velodrome this year. So yeah, keep a lookout for that as well. But whilst they catch up, we walk back to the van. Let's go. So as you can probably gather from me sat here as opposed to Virginia water, we forgot to end the vlog. I mean, it has been a while, so a bit rusty, but while I'm here I thought I'd let you know what happened, and this is probably why we forgot to end it. So we left Virginia water after a lovely walk, really nice up there. Highly recommend it if you're about. Went down to a little Prady shops in Virginia water, little budgeons there, to get just some bits and bobs for the drive home. Obviously we left down in Brighton. Anyway, park up, Rachel goes in, I'm sat in the van with the girls and the dog, and who pulls up next to me but Gareth Bale. So I quickly phone Rachel and go, don't lose it, but Gareth Bale's just about to walk into the shop that you're in. To which Rachel tries to not lose it, gets this picture that I'll put in now. Didn't want to bother him, he was on his phone. I was going to get a photo of him when he came back out, but he's still on his phone, didn't want to bother him. But yeah, so that's probably why we forgot to end the vlog. But yeah, all in all, great day, good start to the year. Nice to be out in the fresh weather, and let you know what's happening. So please like, comment, subscribe, and just look out for vlogs every Sunday. It will be every Sunday. I'm going to keep on top of this. I'm literally editing this one as I speak to you, so you'll see it very soon, and you will see a lot happening this year, more than what we've probably already said. So anyway, have a great one, and we'll see you in the next one. See you.